Procrastination always brings with it missed opportunities, stress, resentment, and guilt. Very early in the morning, very early. They did not procrastinate. As soon as the Passover was officially over, very early in the morning, before the sunrise, they made their way to the tomb. Ladies and gentlemen, they avoided procrastination. And procrastination always brings with it missed opportunities, stress, resentment, and guilt. This Easter, I want you to resolve that you cannot afford to miss any more personal opportunities. Very early in the morning, the first day of the week, they came to the sepulchre at the rising of the sun. They came to the sepulchre. Now that's important because they knew they had three major obstacles for them to get to the place of anointing the body of Jesus. Number one, the stone at the tomb was large. The tomb was sealed. And guards were placed in front of the tomb. They knew they had three major obstacles. But look what they did. They made their way to the tomb anyway. They knew of the obstacles. They knew what they had to face. But they went ahead and bought spices that they may go and anoint the body of Jesus in spite of knowing what they knew. On this resurrection Sunday morning, I want to encourage you in your life. Don't wait until all your obstacles are out of the way before you do what you know you've been called and assigned to do. Don't wait for all of your ducks to line up. I keep telling you, some of these ducks never show up. Don't allow your obstacles to stop you from moving forward.